Alright, here's the whole gang playing. That right there is Leah and Hanson. Here's Bodie right here with the white chest. And Trenny and them, they're all running and playing. They're growing up fast. Weighed them all today. They're all about 2.5 pounds, except for Bodie. He's 2 pounds 13 ounces, so he's a little bit bigger. So they'll probably be 3.5 pounds at 8 weeks. They're all happy, healthy, and growing well. As you can see, they're very active, getting out. This is Kat. She's starting to get sleepy. They've been out for about 20 minutes. And that's Sammy barking in the background because he can't stand that the puppies are out and he's not. So you have to excuse him. But here's a sneak peek. There'll be more videos to come once they get a little bit older. They're very, very friendly and interactive with people right now and with each other. So they're hitting their milestones, doing really well. We'll see you guys later. Bye.